guys, so today's video is going to be on this makeup look I have on today. It's a really simple, let's say like a glowy bronze makeup look, if that's any sense to you. Like, I'm the type of person where I like to do eyeshadow. I'm not really into like lipsticks and stuff, so I did put on a coloured lip gloss by a company called Simani Collections, and I really like this colour. It's in the shade Vixen. So yeah, I kind of kept it simple on the lips like I always do, because I don't know, I don't like wearing too much makeup when it's hot outside, but I still want to look like glam. So yeah, I thought it'd be nice to just do like a nice bronzed eye look and a nice simple nude lip with some gloss, because that's my favourite. But yeah, if you do like this makeup tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be amazing. And just let me know if you like videos like this, because I had my moments before where I wasn't really into makeup. Like, I love makeup, and then I got to a point where I was like, I'm over it, like I don't really like it anymore. But then now I've got into a thing where I'm like, oh, I want to start doing more makeup tutorials. So if you do like this, please let me know so I can keep doing more. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, guys. Bye.
Just one of them. Just one of them. Just one of them. Just one of them.